Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change user image in Windows 11. Most probably people would like to change their emojis or images in a user name. So how to change in Windows 11? It is a new feature. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open settings option. So settings will be here, or just click the start menu. So start menu will be in the center box in Windows 11. So just click the start menu, you will get option called settings. Once you select the settings, if you didn't find the settings option, just search here setting. So once you type SE means setting, app will be open here. So this is a setting option. So setting will have a different kind of options. So here there will be a accounts. Just to find the accounts option, so once you go to accounts option, so this is my user image. So I want to change any other image, I can able to make that. So what I have to do, so just select your info, so that is your information will be there. So you can take a photograph or choose a file. For example, I just have my photograph, means I just click open camera, means my camera will be open here, so I can take my photograph. Otherwise I just choose a file. So whatever files I want, I can choose and I can give my information, that is my images over there. So whatever designs, whatever model, everything I can give according to my need. For example, I just have some downloads option, so I just have some images, choose the images, that image will be placed over there on the user account, so that your images, your avatar will be stored there, means you can able to identify which user you are there in this things. So that is the main option. So while you are going to click and browse something else, so you want to change any other images, that is easy to access your images. For example, you want to take some photographs, you can take some photographs. Otherwise you just want to give something related to your avatars or logos, you can have that picture in that and choose the images, so that easy to give your avatar to each users. For example, Windows 11 has given different kind of user details and accounts will be available, so you can manage your account through that and you can change whatever you want. For example, you want to change your account photo picture, you want to change the date and time, languages, everything will be available. For example, I just want my date and time format should be changed in a different format, I can change or set the time automatically. I can give, means automatically Windows will be take my GPS and it will set the time automatically. So you can choose the time zone where which location you are there, you can choose, means automatically the time will be set and access that. So both accounts and time options will be helpful for each and every Windows 11 users to change your profile picture and change your date and time and language option. Hope this video will help you to create your own avatar in your Windows 11 platform. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.